Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to install and download MySQL in your PC. So before download or install the MySQL in your PC, make sure your internet connection are available. First of all, we will connect with the internet and then click on the Chrome, maximize and search mysql.com. Wait, here we go. We are in MySQL workbench. Click on download and scroll. Here you can see MySQL community GPL download. Click on here. And if you want to install or download for Windows, then click on here MySQL installer for Windows, and make sure this is your current version 8.0.37 Microsoft Windows, and click here to download this. And then after scroll, you will see no thanks, just start my download. You don't need to log in and sign up. Just click on here and the downloading will start. Here you can see 2.1 MB. Double click on that and it will open automatically. Wait. Do you want to allow these apps for an unknown publish to make change to your devices? Yes, of course. Yes. MySQL installer 1.6. Now here is a 4 options. If you want to manually, then you can click on client. If you want everything, you don't want another function, so install all the including MySQL product and features, the click all full. Next, here you can see there is a lots of option. You need to download all those things, so click on execute and wait until they don't download all of them. If your interconnection is good, then they will be downloaded faster, and if your internet connection is slow, then it will take more time to download. So wait until they don't download. Here you can see the downloading will start running. Now it's time to click on the next, execute. Again your progress or your product will taking to download another things, so wait until the process not complete. But it's totally depend on your internet connections. If you have a good internet, then it will not wasting your time to install the MySQL workbench in your PC. Otherwise you will suffering same as I am facing the problem. But no worries, be patient. The problem to install all those things, they execute one by one. Now the completed is session and click on next, 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 and next. Password, make sure your password should be intermediate, so don't write basic or low password. It will not otherwise accepting your password. Okay, click on next, and now click on next, next, execute. Click on now finish, next, click on finish, next. Now write your password which is you already mentioned. Click on check, click on next, execute. Now click on finish, next, and remove this right option, start MySQL cell after setup. Remove this and now click on finish. After doing this process, your workbench, MySQL workbench, automatically open. Now here you can see welcome to MySQL workbench. If you don't see this kinds of local instance or my students, MCA students kind of workbench, now you can create on your own. Click on plus icon, write the name of the connection like MySQL and click on test connection or click on OK. Click on OK. Here you can see, click on MySQL and write your password. And click on save as password involved. OK. Now your MySQL workbench is open. So here are lots of options, so don't be confused. I will teach you one by one everything. So let's see the demo of this video, how to write the query in SQL. So first of all, we will create a database in MySQL workbench. So what to do, how to write? So write create database and write the name of your database, whatever you want to prefer, like Monday is your database name. Now after click on semicolon, write semicolon we write because of the terminal. After that you cannot write everything, you will be right, it will not adding within database. So select and click on this, execute the statements under the keyboard's cursor. Click on this. Now here you can see create database Monday, one row affected. If you will click in here with the left of the mouse and refresh all, here you can see your database is table Monday database. And if you want to create a table, but before create a table you need to write some statements like use and your database name Monday, write semicolon, select this statement and execute. Use Monday, one row affected. Here you can create a table, create a table, CREATE, create table. Table name, what you want to write, Monday. So simple, parentheses, close and open parentheses and semicolon. Inside the parentheses you need to write the statement what you want. Okay, Monday is like we can say inside the parentheses we will writing the statement like day varchar. Don't focus on varchar, still focus on what we are writing. Monday varchar comma weeks or we can write days. After that you need to weeks varchar. Inside the parentheses you need to define the length, and then after select and click on execute. Here you can see create a table Monday, one row affected. If you want to see and want to show the table, so write select star from table name Monday, semicolon, and select and execute. Here you can see day and weeks. If you want to add the values inside the table, so for that write insert into Monday, right? Insert into Monday values. Inside the parentheses write comma, okay, days like Monday, Monday, weeks 4th weeks, or we can say anything, right? Inside this last week, select and execute. Here you can see insert into Monday values and one row affected. I hope you can see right now clearly. Now select this and execute. Day is Monday, weeks last weeks. So this is a demo of this video. I hope you like it. So for more information you can subscribe my channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.